slide.
Centrioles.
Centrioles. And those are only in animal cells, and they usually are in an area right over here near the nucleus. And some models will call that area the centrosome because it contains the centrioles. What are empty storage compartments, like these little spaces that are filled with food, water, or waste known as? If you're out in space and you're in an empty yes, an empty space is called vacuum. These are little spaces, so they're called vacuoles. Good girl. What are these? If you're looking from a polar view, down on it looks like stacked up hollow pancakes. If you look at it from the side, it is hollow. It pushes its contents down to the ends and pinches them off in little secretory vesicles. So this is an organelle for secretion. What is it called?
Golgi complex.
Golgi body or Golgi apparatus. So you see it there and you see it there. From model to model, you're going to know Golgi apparatus because of the secretory droplets. These are minute submicroscopic channels through the cell, and they can make and break connections, and they're running throughout the cytoplasm. So they're called
Endoplasmic reticulum.
endoplasmic because they're in the cytoplasm, endoplasmic reticulum, which means a network of tubules, endoplasmic reticulum. Sometimes endoplasmic reticulum has little dots associated with it, and you really can't see that very well on this gray one, but this one right here has little dots if you're up here where I am. Those are the organelle that is where proteins are made. So we just learned the name of that in lecture. Those little dots are ribosomes. So when you have ribosomes stuck to your endoplasmic reticulum, you're called rough endoplasmic reticulum. When you don't have ribosomes stuck on your endoplasmic reticulum, you're called smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and you don't have anything to do with making proteins. So proteins are made on the little ribosome, and then they're put in the endoplasmic reticulum and exported wherever they might be needed. There'll be a couple of little organelles that are round or oval that you can't tell apart, and so the only way you're going to know what they are is because of what's in them. So if they told you this was full of hydrolytic or digestive enzymes, then this is called a lysosome, because if it opened up, it would lyse the whole cell. If instead they told you it is full of hydrogen peroxide compound to neutralize dangerous waste, hydrogen peroxide, then it's called a peroxisome. Yes, good girl. I think I've done most of the ones on this. Do you have any questions on this one? If I asked you if this is plant or animal, what's the answer?
Animal.
Animal, because of the pair of centrioles.